This guy attempts to close the refrigerator door, but it won't stay shut. He accidentally breaks the door handle. He then mentions that he's going out to get a Grimace shake, but the fridge spots a picture of a Sigma refrigerator in a magazine. It feels really down, and the beta fridge walks past a store selling Sigma fridges, and they begin to mock him. The man returns home only to find that his old fridge has disappeared. He steps outside to search for it, showing the Sigma fridges its picture. A small fridge discreetly indicates the right direction, sitting on a swing, gazing at photos of its edging companion. The fridge shows him the Sigma fridge magazine, and then explains that he was planning to buy a handle for it,